everyone, I Ridive Raj, nuclear engineering student, and your Parmanu Mitra is here with one another video. As today is World Environment Day. It is celebrated annually on 5th on June, and this year the theme is hashtag only one planet. It was first celebrated by the United Nations Environmental Programme in 1973, and this year the host country is Sweden, and it focused on the campaign mainly on the living sustainability in harmony with nature and people. If I talk about the relation of India with World Environment Day, our IS officer Sir Abhay Kumar Sir has been written one of the Environmental Day anthem, and it was greatly and globally been discovered and been praised by every people. It describe about the cosmic radiations, the flora, fauna, the earth, the mother nature, culture, beliefs, and the relation of human with nature. But if I talk about nowadays, our main concern is the climate change, and air pollution is one of the a great impact on the earth. There are the coal power plants, there are industries, there are many other sectors which are releasing a great number of pollutants and like the waste in the environment, and it cause harm to the mother earth. Whenever the sustainability word came into our mind, the sustainability goals developed by the United Nations stuck in our mind. It states no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well being, quality education, good health, and climate action, one of the important aspect. Now, if I talk about nuclear, we adopt nuclear with the renewable, it's the new source and the new solution of the climate change. Only nuclear with renewable can help to tackle the problem of climate change. We can see that how if we place nuclear with renewable sources, the earth can come and we can help the earth and save the earth from the climate change. Nuclear energy not only provides the power and electricity but also used in the wide sector, from the radioisotopes used in the medical industry to the hydrology, food irradiations, minings, for the cosmology, space explorations, and there are around 441 nuclear reactors around the world running successfully and producing and contributed 11% of the world total electricity produces. The nuclear energy has its wide applications in the environmental conservation and has been helped for for the conservative and for saving many different species of flora and fauna. We can see that around 1 million species are threatened and extinction. But with the help of different nuclear technologies, the biodiversity in nature, forest and wetland has been conserved. It can be used in various irradiations of the seeds and can help for the development of the flora and fauna sector. It also helps for the production of hydrogen, and we can see that nowadays every country is been working on its hydrogen economy, and the hydrogen produced by the nuclear power plant is called the pink hydrogen. Whenever the nuclear energy came into our mind, the first question came is how safe is the use of nuclear power? So let me tell you one of the fact, and it is been stated in this chart that death per terawatt hour of electricity produced. We can see that how the nuclear is the death caused by the nuclear is so less, and it produces the cleaner energy also. If I talk about India, the father of India's nuclear program, Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha sir, knows the potential of nuclear power, and from the very early years of the nuclear program in India, we focus on the great and for the better development of the nuclear power plants. India is one of the greatest and largest reserve of thorium and contributed around 25 to 30% of the world total thorium reserves. So we follow and working on the three-stage India's nuclear program, in which we first use the natural uranium in the PHWRs, then the fast breeder reactor, and then the third stage, which is the advanced heavy water reactors, which is the third stage. And this in this way we use the closed cycle loop in the nuclear power plant, and we recycle and reuse the nuclear fuel used in the nuclear power plants. If I talk about how we can achieve the net zero emission by 2050, we can see that the begin to use nuclear reactors, thorium and fusion is one of the impact and one of the solution to tackle the climate change. So by let us invest in nuclear energy and not only get power but the cleaner sustainable environment also. Thank you, and once again, and happy Environmental Day to all of you.